Hello there, thanks for joining us. In this video, we're going to be telling you about the electronic travel authorization. What is it? Who needs it in order to travel to Canada? We'll have information on all of this after the break. As always, remember to hit the subscribe button and to check us out on our website at go.gooselaw.com. We'll be right back. Hi there, welcome back. My name is Donovan Francis and I'm a Canadian immigration lawyer, and I help skilled workers who are here in Canada and those from outside Canada who are wanting to become Canadian permanent residents without having to handle all of the complicated legal forms that are part of that process. Now, there are some persons who will require electronic travel authorization, or an ETA, in order to travel to Canada. Persons who require ETAs are persons who are traveling from countries that do not, or whose residents are not typically required to have a Canadian visa or a TRV. So generally speaking, Canada's immigration system divides countries into two groups. There are some countries whose citizens do not require visas to enter Canada. These are known as visa-exempt countries. And there are other countries whose citizens are required to have a visa in order to come to Canada. For those people who are traveling to Canada from a country that is not required to have a visa, they must have an electronic travel authorization. Now, an electronic travel authorization is a document that you'd be applying for in advance of your planned trip to Canada. Typically, it's something you can apply for online. It comes at a minimal cost of around $7 or so. And it is something that is going to be approved provided there are no issues. So it's a pretty straightforward process. Green card holders who are or permanent residents of the United States are also required to apply for an ETA prior to traveling to Canada. However, again, if you're from a country whose nationals are required to have a visa, then you will not need to apply for an ETA, since your visa will in effect serve the same purpose as the ETA does for persons coming from visa-exempt countries. Now, it is very important to note or to bear in mind, and this is something that we've seen in our own experience. If you're planning to travel to Canada and you're required to apply for an ETA, among the questions that you're going to be asked will be a question about if you've been refused any kind of immigration application in the past, and if you've been involved in any kind of criminal activities in the past, and so on and so forth. You will want to ensure that you have answered those questions accurately. In addition, if there is any type of criminal issue in the past, then you must bear in mind that once you indicate that in your ETA application, and the immigration authorities are going to require you to provide a detailed explanation of the criminal issue. And so you want to be prepared for that before you actually go ahead and submit your application for an ETA. And if you fall in this kind of a situation, you will also want to ensure that you reach out to a lawyer in advance to help you adequately put that application together so that you may overcome this issue. But that aside, the ETA is a relatively straightforward, the ETA application is a relatively straightforward process, and it's an absolutely necessary process that you will have to go through if you're planning to travel to Canada from a country whose citizens are not required to apply for a Canadian visitor's visa. I trust you found value from this, and as always, remember to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and check us out on our website at go.gooselaw.com.